Today I have brought you a probability question. This question is important from the JEE Mains point of view as well as JEE Advanced, and this is going to clear some kind of concepts how to solve the questions. For this question, basically you must have the knowledge of conditional probability as well as biased theorem. So let us first read what is the problem. Three machines ABC produce respectively 50%, 30% and 20% of the total number of items of a factory. The percentage of defective output of these machines are 3%, 4% and 5%. If an item is selected at random, find the probability that the item is defective. Find the probability that the item was produced by machine A. So, for the first part, we have to find the probability that the item is defective. And for the second part, that it is produced by machine A. So let us first, to make the question simpler, let us draw a tree diagram. We have three machines. Correct? A, B, C. Now A is producing 50% of the produced items. B is producing 30% and C is producing. Now A is producing, of course, 3% defective items and other items are non-defective. Likewise, B is producing 4% of defective items and other items. Likewise, C is producing 5% defective items and others are non-defective. So we have to find out of the probability that the item is defective. Suppose X is the event when the item is defective, then probability of X will be nothing but, as we have seen in conditional probability, PA X by A plus P B P X by B and plus P C X by C. So this is giving you the probability that item is defective. Either it is from A, or it is from B, or it is from C. And if we add up, then we can get our probability. So what is this? This will be nothing but 0.5 into 0.03 plus 0.3 into 0.04 plus 0.2 into 0.04. So this is the probability you are going to get that item is defective. If you add up all these things, calculate out this thing, then you will get 0.037. This is the probability you are going to have that item is defective. Now let us go to the third part where bias theorem will work. What is basically bias theorem? Now, if the item is from A, this is what it is asked, correct? X is a defective item, A is the factory. So, the defective item is from factory A, that is the probability of A by X. This will be given by P A then all this sum means P A P X upon A plus P P. You can note down the formula also. X upon B and P C P X upon C. Correct? So this will give you 0.5 into 0.03 divided by 0.5 into 0.03 plus 0.3 into 0.04. This is basically 0.3 plus 0.2 into 0.05. Correct? And this will come as 15 by 37. Bias theorem is basically applicable for reverse possibility. Means you have to find out from which factory this has come out. So this is the answer of this question. Now, I have started a series of do it yourself also, where I will be giving you one question every day in the last of my video, and you try this because you have to continuously test yourself by practicing the questions, whether you can do it correctly or not. The answer of this question will also be uploaded on my YouTube channel after some days. So till that time, you please do it yourself, and in the comments part, please give your answers. Let me see how many solve it correctly. Thank you.